Hi everyone. Honda 250, 25 years old, 2 cylinders, and I start on the first try. Wishing you the same. No expeditions today. One road, 6 kilometers. It's called the CA-354. You can look it up. I'll wait. The sign at the entrance is honest. 6 kilometers of curves. For a driver, that's a warning. For me, it's a menu. The asphalt here was redone a few years ago. So my suspension isn't working today. It's resting. It all starts by the river Saja and an old bridge. There's a viewpoint along the way. And at the end, a village worth riding all the way for. But all of that comes at the end. Let's go. And this is Novales. Lemons grow right on the streets here. Real ones. In northern Spain, where I'm used to wet asphalt and the smell of cowsheds. The valley is walled in by mountains, it has its own microclimate, and the locals have been making the most of it for a couple of centuries. They call this place Little Murcia. 6 kilometers of curves and you're in a different country. Not a bad exchange rate. Now, about the bridge where it all began. It's more than 120 years old. One of the first reinforced concrete bridges in Spain. In 1902, engineer Ribera poured concrete while the rest of the country was still building in stone. Recently they put a young replacement right next to it. And the old one, they left alone. Done its share, still in service. Respect. I'm hoping for that kind of retirement myself. Along the way there was the El Vergel viewpoint. My writer film. I cooled down. Division of labor. That's all for today. Thanks for riding with me.